Dear friends, I am CA Girish Sachdeva. Today we will discuss about the filing of income tax return without Form 16. As you would know that we need Form 16 to file our return of income whenever we have a salary income, right? So first of all, we will discuss that what is Form 16, what is the importance of Form 16. So first of all, we should know that the Form 16 is issued by the employer to its employees for a financial year. The financial year in Income Tax Act starts from April and it ends in the March next year. The Income Tax Act requires the employer to calculate the income tax on the salary income of its employees and deduct the income tax from the salary and deposit it with the government. Of course, it is done basis the calculations of the income tax on the income. If there is no income tax due, there will be no requirement of depositing it with the government, right? The tax which is deducted by the employer and deposited with the government is called the TDS. The short form of TDS means tax deducted at source. Okay. So whenever the TDS is deducted by the employer is compulsorily required to issue Form 16. That is a requirement of law, right? But as you would notice in practice that in most of the cases, all the professionally managed organizations issue Form 16 to all of its employees, whether the TDS is deducted or not, just to have consistency, and because they are professionally managed, they don't differentiate whether TDS is deducted or not. They issue Form 16 to everyone, to all of its employees, right? Voluntarily, right? The format of Form 16 is prescribed as per the income tax rules, and basically it has details of all the components of salary along with the TDS details, whatever is deducted by the employer, and how and when it was deposited by the employer with the government. So in nutshell, Form 16 is kind of a confirmation that this is your income and this is the tax the employer has deducted and this is how much the employer has deposited with the government, right? And we need this Form 16 when we file our return of income, right? But we know that in lot of cases we struggle when we don't get Form 16. So let's understand that why Form 16 is not issued and why it is delayed in some cases. It is not issued when TDS is not deducted by employer. As I told you earlier, that it is not compulsory to issue Form 16 if you are not deducting TDS of your employee, right? So it is just a voluntary thing which employer does sometimes, that they do issue to the employees, to all of their employees, but if TDS is not deducted, it is not compulsorily required by the employer to deduct TDS and issue Form 16. Sometimes there is a delay in issuing Form 16. It happens when the employer has not done certain compliances on its part. Sometimes they have not deposited the tax with the government yet. Sometimes they have not filed the return with the government, etc., etc. There may be some operational reasons as well of delay. For example, sometimes the staff is absent, etc., etc. So there may be some delays as well to issue Form 16. The problem we face as an employee, that when we don't get Form 16 from our employer, we struggle to file the income tax return and we wait for Form 16, right? Now let's discuss what are the alternate of Form 16. In case you have not received the Form 16 because no TDS was deducted and the employer was not required to issue Form 16, then in that case you may request your employer to give a salary certificate on the letterhead of the organization, which will give you the component of the salary and it will work as a confirmation that how much salary the employer has given to you. So I suggest whenever you don't get Form 16, request your employer that please give us the salary certificate because we need to file the return of income. In case employer is required to issue form 16 but you are not getting it and it is getting delayed because of various reasons, the alternate is that you prepare a summary at your end, a summary sheet, right? So we will discuss what this summary sheet is. First of all, find out salary slips for all the months. You would have the salary slips issued by your employer for all the months of the financial year. Prepare a summary sheet at the detailed level to compile the total figure for the year. The example sheet is given here, which shows you that the components, what are the components of the salary, how much you were given in all those components each month, what was the PF, what was the income tax deducted, etc., etc. So you can compile one brief summary like this for your salary income for whole year. The components being shown here are just an example. In your case, these components may be different. These components may be different for each employer. So whatever those components are, you just prepare a small summary for the whole year like this, where you get the total figures for the year, that how much you got in basic, how much was the HRA, how much was other allowances, etc., etc., right? Now use this summary sheet to have a component wise breakup of the salary, because when you file return of income, you don't need only a total amount of salary, you also need a breakup in terms of the component of the salary, right? Now share this summary sheet with your tax consultant and he will match and confirm with the government records that the TDS which is shown by you in your summary sheet, whether it matches with the income tax data or not. If it matches, we can use this summary sheet to file the income tax return and we don't need to compulsorily wait for the form 16. In some cases, practically the salary slips also carries cumulative amounts for the financial year. So in that case, you are not required to have all the salary slips of all the months. Only the last salary slip, let's say the March salary slip, would also carry the cumulative amounts for the year as well. So that would save some effort on your side, right? I hope I am able to answer your query in this regard. If you still have any doubts, please feel free to write comment in the comment box, or you may write to me as well on my email ID, which is mentioned over here. Thank you so much. I will come back with another subject, and I'm waiting for more queries from your end. If you think that there are more subjects where we should prepare videos to solve those queries, please feel free to post those queries in the comment box, and I will write. I will try to resolve those queries. Thank you so much. Hope you are all fine.